We are going to explain in this video how to set up an automatic reply when a user clicks on the button in our ad post. This interface is the business manager we use for setting up ads. However, if you haven't watched the tutorial video on ads yet, you can find instructions on how to operate the business manager in our separate tutorial video on ads. In this video, we will focus on how to set up the automatic reply for the button in this post, but we won't go into detail about other aspects of ads. Now let's take a look at this button and see how we can connect to the backend of Closing Pilot Chatbot to send an automatic reply message. In the third part of setting up the ad, here in New Ad, we can see the option for Message Template. If your ad interface is updated to the latest version, you will see a similar interface. We should select Engagement and then click Continue. In the second part of the ad, under Ad Set, we select Messenger app as conversion location. Then, in Messenger app, we check Facebook Messenger. When we reach the third part of the ad, we can see the option for Message Template. If you have selected a published post, you can choose Use Existing Post and select a post from the list as your ad. For example, if I choose a post that doesn't have the Get Message button, I can select Send Message in the Call to Action section below and click Update Post. This will add a Send Message button to the bottom right corner of the post. Next, we can go to Message Template and select Advanced Setup, then click Edit to access the options. In the Advanced JSON Setup section, we must click here and clear all the code present. Once you ensure that there is no code here, we can go back to Closing Pilot Chatbot and click on Bot Manager. Then, select our fan page and click on Post Back Manager. Find the Post Back reply combination you want to connect. For example, if we want to connect the Introductions post back, we can click the blue Get JSON Code button here. Copy the JSON code and paste it into our ad backend. Now, on the right side, you can preview your reply flow. While creating the entire reply flow, we use the Bot Flow Builder. Here, we create a new flow for the entire flow. For example, in the Start Bot flow, there is a post back reply. After setting up the button, we create another post back reply. Each post back reply has its own name. So in the Post Back Manager, you will see different names. These post back are created when we set up a new auto reply flow. If we have set up a new post back, these new post back will be listed in our Post Back Manager. So when we want to connect the ad, we need to find the name of the start bot flow of the entire flow, which is the first post back reply of the entire flow, such as introduction in this demo. In the Post Back Manager, we find the introduction post back, and then find its JSON code. Copy this JSON code and paste it into the ad backend. After that, when users click on the button, they will be connected to the rest of our flow. Please note that in the ad, we can only connect one text and one button. Therefore, when creating our ad flow, we must start with a simple text and button. We cannot add additional content here, because the first group of postback that connects directly to the ad settings, where we can only have text and a button. After clicking the button, we have no restrictions, and we can add images, voice messages, and videos in our subsequent steps. However, when connecting to the Facebook ad backend, we should start with a simple text and button. Once you copy it, the right side will automatically show your reply message. You can check if the content is the desired automatic reply. If everything is correct, you can click Save and Finish. In this way, you have connected your automatic reply to the button below your post. After setting it up, you can click Preview in Messenger to see the preview sent to your Messenger by Facebook. You can open your phone to view this message. When logged into admin account from your phone, you will receive this Messenger preview message. Clicking on it will show the subsequent content you set up in Closing Pilot Chatbot. If your users see the ad and leave a comment below the post instead of clicking the button, then this setting is not done in the Facebook Business Manager ad backend. We have to go back to Closing Pilot Chatbot and access the Automation Campaign and Comment Growth tool. For the automatic reply to comments below the ad post, we recommend using the full page campaign to set it up. We will explain the detailed setup for this full page campaign in the upcoming video tutorial. That's all for this tutorial.